Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fill out a reimbursement request form for travel. If you go to the church's website and log in and then go to search, you can search for non-employee reimbursement. Did I spell it correctly? Request form. I'll also put a link in the email that I send you about the travel. And it's this one that you want to about the budget, sorry, the email about the budget. I'll put a link to this. So you want to click on this, and then you can click on this link. There's also some instructions if you want to follow them attached to that link in the church's website. But what you do is you can start out filling in your name, your stake, your ward, your telephone number, email address, and the invoice date should match the date down here when you do your signature. They need to be the same for them to be accepted. The reimbursement rate for travel, you're going to put 0.14, and then you're going to put your address under payee address. Down here where it says starting point, it will be probably your home address, and your destination is the church or wherever you're meeting for seminary. Then you're going to put the number of miles it is, so we'll say 13 miles. You're also going to need to put a map. You're going to send a map, like do a map quest and then take a screenshot or whatever from your home to the church and showing the number of miles it is from between those two locations. Under purpose, you can put seminary. Round trip fares or tolls, we probably don't have any around here. And then over here, you're going to put the month. So we can, we're supposed to do these every 3 months. We're supposed to just have 3 months at a time. So on each form, if you do it, say you did it in December and you want the reimbursement started in August, then you're going to have to do August, September, October, and then November, December on a separate form. And then this part is a little tedious. You need to put the right dates. They do check those, I have discovered. So you need to pick the right days for when you would be teaching seminary and click on each one. And as you do that, you see over here, the miles will change and the reimbursement amount will change. So it's really good if you are able to do this form online because it just populates that for you and does the math for you. If you don't, I have to redo it online and make sure that everything is correct. So it just makes it a little azier if you can do this part. Down here, if you have varied travel, some people meet at the bishop's home or at a different place, and you then will need to put your starting address, which could be your home, and then the bishop's address and the purpose. Again, you're going to attach a map from those two places. Put the specific date here, the number of miles here, and it'll auto-populate all of this information. Down here is where you can put anything that you purchase for seminary. So if you buy treats, you can put like you went to Costco and you bought birthday cupcakes. And then the account code you'll leave blank. I'll fill that in and you put the amount here. So we could say $6 or whatever it is. So you can see down here, it will automatically put the amount that's up here too. You don't need to, other expenses, you can add in those down there. Varied travel expenses, it'll auto-populate all of this. If I push enter, it puts that $6 right there. Now this is another part that's kind of, they're a little finicky about where it says your signature, this is your signature here, that cannot be typed in. If you type it in, they will send it back. So you can either, once you have all of this done, you can print it out, sign it, scan it in, and then email that to me. Or if you have a stylus or some kind of touchscreen thing, that's okay. You can sign it that way. And then just make sure this date is the same as the date up here. And then Brother Williams will sign and date it here, and then we can get you reimbursed. All right, thanks. Bye.